Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's CozyCrochetMonster, and today is another installment in my Learn to Crochet series. So today I will be teaching you decreasing. So this decreasing will be in the round, and I just want to point out that I'm going to be showing you like how to decrease so you can apply it to projects and other stitches, but I'm not going to show you like leading up to that point. So you're going to need a hook, some yarn, if you're going to cut it off, needle, and some scissors. So what I meant was, so I already have my circle made, but I'm going to show you if you were making a project. So let's say you were making a ball. So you have your increase, you would work straight rows of single crochet to like build it, and then you would decrease, okay? So I'm just going to show you the decreasing portion. This isn't going to be turned into anything, this is just an example. But so in the future, maybe hinting to a future project, you're going to need to increase, work a couple rows of crochet, and then decrease at the end. So it's symmetrical with the increasing and then decreasing. Okay, so to start out with, I'm just going to tell you for math reasons, I have 24 stitches. So when we decrease, you can tell how much I'm decreasing by. Okay, so first you're going to take your yarn, if you have a little swatch made up, which you most likely don't, but that's okay. This is just for educational purposes. So for decreasing, it depends on what kind of stitch you're using, and that's how you decrease. So I'm just going to show you for the single crochet because this is the one you're most likely going to use. In the future, I might show you quickly because you'll know the basic steps. You can easily just apply it to different stitches. But for each stitch, so single crochet, half double crochet, and treble crochet, they all kind of differ a little bit just because of the height and how you crochet, you single crochet, and how you crochet them together. And that refers to how it's written in a pattern. So first you're going to, for single crochet, you're going to insert your hook and yarn over. So this is where you usually yarn over and pull through both of them, but we're going to single crochet two together. So that means we'll be working in the spaces of 2 stitches but only have 1 stitch coming out. So then instead of yarning over and pulling through, you're going to work into the next stitch. So insert your hook and yarn over. Okay, now you have 3 stitches on your hook. This is where you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. So what I meant by we're working in the space of 2 stitches, but we're only having 1 come out, and that's how we decrease our amount, or our count of stitches. So I had 2 stitches, and now I only have 1 in place of it. So I'm going to show that to you again. So you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, and then insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull through all 3. Okay, so that's the single crochet 2 together. So now instead of having 4 stitches, I have 2. So that's how you cut it down in half. Last time with the increasing, I didn't really show you the pattern of increasing. I just showed you how to do an increase stitch. So in a pattern of increasing, each row you add a stitch in between your increases. So for the first row, you're going to have 8 stitches, no increase. Second row, you're going to double your stitches. So you can also think of that as, row 1 of your increase. The next one, you're going to have 1 stitch in between. So you would increase in the 1 stitch, and then the next stitch just regular single crochet. Then increase in the next stitch, and then regular single crochet. The next row after that would be an increase and then 2 regular single crochet, and so on. That might have been a little confusing without showing you, but the same thing goes for decreasing. So if I'm working decrease after decrease after decrease, I'm going to be cutting my stitches in half. You don't typically do that on the first row of increasing, but in the first row of decreasing, but I'm just showing you the stitch. So this is all probably a little confusing, but I will have a project coming up soon that will explain all of this in detail, and so you'll be able to apply it to further projects. But this was just showing you the decrease stitch. So, you know, single crocheting two together. I have such difficulty saying that. And then the previous video was increasing, just showing you the increase stitch, which is single crocheting 2 in 1 stitch, so doubling that stitch. Okay, that was a lot for today. I hope you guys found that helpful, and it might be confusing, but once you start working with it, it'll make kind of more sense. But if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!